Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 is a legal tool through which Mnangagwa's supporters, often called the ED23 group, aim to bypass the two-term limit. The proposed changes are far-reaching and, to many, deeply concerning. They include changing the presidential election from a popular vote to one decided by Parliament and extending the terms of both the President and the lawmakers from 5 to 7 years. If these amendments are passed, the 83-year-old Mnangagwa would remain in office until 2030, effectively adding 2 more years to his current term, which ends in 2028. Sarabina Mashukubra Pango in Evansoro, the tension and chaos, if hit after the ruling parties and people never subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tipina Mnangagwa information for General Chiwenga, this proposed extension represents a profound betrayal. To fully grasp the depth of the disagreement, one must recall the events of November 2017. It was Chiwenga, then the commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, who led the military intervention that removed the long-serving Robert Mugabe from power. The unspoken agreement at that time was clear. Mnangagwa would serve 2 terms, after which his military backer would take over. Now, as Mnangagwa allies push for an extension, the province is falling apart, threatening to destabilize the nation once more. Meanwhile, the president's recent activities have been quite revealing. A planned visit to Chiredzi was mysteriously postponed several times in March 2026, while official expectations cited logistical challenges. The reality on the ground suggested a more troubling reason. The postponement coincided with a series of major corruption scandals involving senior Zambian politicians and influential land barons in the area. The Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission ZVAITWA has since confirmed the arrest of several high-ranking officials in Chiredzi. They suggested the president's visit was cancelled to avoid being publicly associated with the local leaders entangled in corruption. The ordinary Zimbabwean observes this unfolding drama with a mix of weariness and apprehension. The country's economic future is closely tied to the power struggle or the political elite battle for control. Most of the population continues to struggle with very high inflation, decaying infrastructure, and a lack of essential services. The 20th agenda is widely seen as a distraction from the urgent need for national recovery. Doma developments are Buddha Pangwa in a pinnacle section minutes of any more today. Subscribe or like on the bell icon.